What is the shield and how does it work? The drive shaft is an essential part of a car's transmission system. It is a component that joins the gearbox with the wheels and allows the movement of the engine to be transmitted to them. In this article, we will investigate what is the drive shaft. How does it work and what is its function in a car? The drive shaft is an essential part of a car's transmission system. Its main function is to transmit the power generated by the engine to the wheels, allowing the movement of the vehicle. In addition, it allows the wheels to rotate at different angles without affecting power transmission. It is important that the drive shaft is strong and durable in order to withstand the loads to which it is subjected and to ensure reliable operation of the car. The drive shaft, also known as the axle shaft, is made up of a steel bar that is divided into two parts, a longer one that connects to the gearbox and a shorter one that connects to the wheel. These two parts are joined by a homokinetic joint or CV, constant velocity, joint, which allows the transmission of movement even when the wheels are turning at different angles. The main function of the bearing is to transmit the power generated by the engine to the wheels, allowing the movement of the car. When the driver steps on the accelerator, the gearbox selects the appropriate gear and transfers power to the drive shaft. As the engine rotates, the drive shaft transmits that motion to the wheels, allowing the car to roll. In addition to transmitting motion, the drive shaft also allows the wheels to turn at different angles without affecting power transmission. This is essential for the car to be able to steer and maneuver properly, as the front wheels often turn at different angles when cornering or parking. The drive shaft is subjected to high levels of torque and stress, especially during acceleration or when taking tight turns. Therefore, it must be strong enough to withstand these loads and durable enough to ensure optimal operation of the vehicle. In addition to its primary role, the drive shaft also plays other important roles in a car's drivetrain. One of them is to compensate for irregularities in the terrain and help absorb impacts. As the car travels over bumpy roads or uneven terrain, the drive shaft allows the wheels to move up and down, adapting to uneven terrain and maintaining connection to the gearbox. Another crucial aspect of the bearing is the ability to allow wheel steering. Together with the steering system, the drive shaft allows the wheels to turn in the direction desired by the driver. This is essential for turning maneuvers in turns and during parking maneuvers. It should be noted that the axles are usually different on front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive cars. In front-wheel drive cars, the half shafts are usually shorter and connect directly to the front wheels. In contrast, in rear-wheel drive vehicles, the shafts are longer and go through the differential before reaching the rear wheels. It is important to perform regular maintenance on the bearing, as it is subject to wear and can present problems over time. The wear of the constant velocity joints is a common problem in the bearings and can cause noise, vibration, or even failure in the transmission of movement. Therefore, keeping the joints in good condition and adequately lubricated is essential to ensure optimum performance of the bearing. In conclusion, the bearing is a fundamental part of the transmission system of a car. Its main function is to transmit the power of the engine to the wheels, allowing the movement of the vehicle. In addition, it allows you to compensate for irregularities in the terrain, facilitates the direction of the wheels and helps absorb impacts. A proper maintenance of the drive shaft is essential to ensure optimum performance of the car and prolong its useful life.